guys, this is Ghost Queen. So, I was thinking about some things that I could do for this video, and my eye fell on a certain trinket from the Arcana games. Yes, we are talking about the sock Faust. And I thought, you know what? That might be fun to make in real life. So that's what I did. So this is the pattern that I created, and before you ask me to share it, I'm sorry. I made this way too big for my scanner to allow, and I'm not going to be able to share this exact pattern. However, I'll try to figure out a slightly smaller version for you guys. If you're okay with that, I will be putting that version in the description below. And in true sock Faust fashion, I will be making this plushie out of old clothes. So, let's work some magic, shall we? So first things first, I'm going to be taking the head piece of one side and the tail piece of the same side and pinning them together. Now we need some thread. Now I'm going to sew down this seam. Now I'm going to take some black embroidery thread and I'm going to stitch on those iconic stitches on the other side of the seam. Now here I have the other side, and this side is missing a tail, and I'm going to be adding that with this other fabric. And I'm going to be doing the same thing, pinning it and then sewing it. Now I'm just going to do the same thing here with the black embroidery thread. Next, we need some buttons for the eyes, and I have this one, but it's not the right color, and I also need one more. Let me try something real quick. These'll work. Now to sew the buttons on. Now I'm going to lay the two sides together. Here she is now, and now I'm gonna stuff her. Let's just close this seam real quick. Here are the cloth patches that I want to sew on. I'm just gonna take a little bit of glue and just attach them together so they don't fall apart. And now I'm just gonna add some stitching right here where the two are joined. Now I'm just pinning down the patches in preparation of sewing them on. Finally, I'm just going to make the stitches around Faust's mouth. So here is the finished sock Faust. I hope you guys liked it. I'm sorry it was not as informational. I honestly just wanted to make this short but sweet video to test out this new layout, and also to try out some editing tricks. This most likely will not be permanent, especially the editing part, because honestly it's way too time consuming for such little footage, and it's not as in-depth as I want it to be. I just wanted to try it out for some reason because I was bored. Though the layout might appear more than usual because it does give me a whole lot more space to work with. There's no camera. Usually the camera's like right here, and it really gets in the way, so I do like it having it over here. I'm pretty sure it's a lot easier for you guys to see as well, so I just wanted to try this one out. Yeah, I hope you guys didn't mind that too much, and I hope you enjoyed regardless of this weird stuff that I've been doing. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!